Nobody has ever achieved anything big in business or in any walk of life without courage. Of course, whenever you do anything big, you do feel a little scared. But you've got to conquer fear to discover the hidden hero within you. Over the last 40 years, I have been very fortunate to lead Reliance. Everything I am today is because of Reliance. Everything I know today is thanks to Reliance. This evening, I want to share with you the most important lessons I have learned from my father during this phenomenal journey. The first lesson is courage, and I have seen it in a whole lot of you. Nobody has ever achieved anything big in business or in any walk of life without courage. Of course, whenever you do anything big, you do feel a little scared. But you've got to conquer fear to discover the hidden hero within you. With courage, with self-belief, and the can-do spirit, you overcome any adversity. Therefore, I want today's young leaders at Reliance to realize that achieving your potential is the quest of the ordinary. Conquering the impossible is your destiny. The second lesson I have learned is feel empathy. Empathy means caring and sharing with every human being in our organization and the world at large. The more we care, the higher we grow as human beings. I understand empathy as dil ki daulat. It is the wealth of your heart. The more you spend it on others, the more wealthy you become. The third lesson I have learned is to have absolute faith in technology and talent. In every business we have started, we have always embraced the latest technology and have attracted the best talent. When top technology and talent work together, they produce unbeatable creativity, innovation, and invention. Like my father, I value trust, loyalty, and a direct heart-to-heart relationship. As we enter Reliance's golden decade, I want to commend these learnings to the next generation of Reliance. The future of Reliance belongs to you. Today, you have a fabulous platform that will enable you to achieve multiples of what has been achieved by my generation. Friends, today, Reliance is a global leader in energy and materials, where operating safely is an obsession. And with Jio and retail, where we have established leadership position in India, we are customer obsessed. As we enter our golden decade, we at Reliance are in a unique position to accomplish what very few companies in the world can even dream of. And I have no doubt that the next generation of Reliance will make it a reality. Okay, yes, we can and we will. Some more energy. Yes, we can and we will. So let me say first, can Reliance be amongst the top 20 companies in the world? Yes, we can and we will. Second, I believe that in the coming decades, the world will transition from fossil fuels to clean, green, and renewable energy. Can Reliance become a leading power of clean and affordable energy to India? Yes, we can and we will. Third, I believe that the world will invent new materials that will revolutionize how we manufacture and produce things and improve the quality of life of every human being. Can Reliance be a leading global producer of these innovative new materials? Yes, we can and we will. Fourth, Jio has the opportunity to digitally reinvent with artificial intelligence and blockchain all sectors of the Indian economy, whether it is entertainment, financial services, commerce, manufacturing, agriculture, education, or healthcare. Can Jio be the first company to transform an entire nation in each one of these sectors? Yes, we can and we will. Fifth and finally, Reliance has an opportunity to be an even stronger partner to our nation. Can Reliance and Jio partner and empower all Indians, our fellow citizens, small businesses and merchants and enterprises, so India can become a global superpower? Can Reliance do that? Yes, we can and we will. My Reliance family, looking at the sea of lights in front of me and looking at your energy, optimism, and self-confidence, I am assured that the future of Reliance is in good hands. And this institution that we love and cherish will rise to even greater heights in the decades to come. I am thankful to each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart for your hard work, commitment, and dedication to the mission of Reliance. It is because of each one of you that we are who we are today. I wish and I pray, may good luck and fortune shine on each and every one of you and on Reliance. And may every day be even more fulfilling and rewarding for all of us. My mother Kokilaben, Nita, Isha, Akash, and Anant joined me in wishing you and your families a very happy and prosperous 2018. All the very best, good luck, God bless, and thank you very much for everything.